Hello students, myself Ramayan Yadav, and today I am going to teach you about the integers. It's very important and interesting chapters. So let's get started. Agenda of the video. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn basic concept of numbers. What is integers? A representation of integers on the number line, ordering of integers, and absolute value of an integer. So, module first, basic concept of numbers. So let's define positive number. A number greater than 0 is called positive number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are called positive numbers because the numbers are greater than 0. Next, negative number. A number less than 0 is called negative number. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6 are called negative numbers because these numbers are left on the 0. Opposite numbers. Numbers that are the same distance from 0 in the opposite direction are called opposite numbers. Now let's observe in the example -3 and +3 are opposite numbers because these numbers are same distance from 0 in the opposite direction. Next, what is integers? Integers, all natural numbers, 0 and negative of counting numbers are called integers. Thus, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called integers. Now, types of integers. There are 3 types of integers. Positive integers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are called positive integers. Negative integers. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. are negative integers. And 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Now, use of integers. Here, negative numbers are used to measure temperature. Similarly, negative numbers are used to measure under sea level. It's important hints. First, if you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, so we consider it is a positive. Just look here, 9. This 9 has not any sign, types of sign, so we consider 9 is a positive number. Next, representation of integers on the number line. Now let's representation of integers on a number line. Firstly, we draw a line and fix a point in the middle of it. We call it 0. We set off equal distances from on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side of 0. Let's solve example. First, represent -5 on a number line. We have to represent -5 on a number line. So firstly, we draw a line and mark a fixed point. Generally, we mark in the middle of the line, that is 0. Since we have to represent -5 on a number line, so we move 5 steps from 0 to the left hand side. Therefore, we move 5 steps, we get a number that is -5. Now next, represent 4 on a number line. Similarly, we draw a line, we mark a fixed point 0 in the middle of a line and we move 4 steps to the right. Therefore, we will get 4 plus 4. Now, ordering of an integer. Ordering of integers. If we represent 2 integers on the number line, we follow the convention that the number occurring to the right is greater than on the left and the number on the left is smaller than that on the right. Let's solve example. We have two numbers 3 and 1. We have to decide which number is greater. Now it is clear that 3 is greater than 1. Since 3 is to the right of 1, look in the line 3 and 1. Since 3 is to the right of 1, therefore 3 is greater than 1. Next, we have two numbers 0 and -1. So it is clear that 0 is greater than -1. Since 0 is to the right of -1, -2 and -3 now. So -2 is greater than -3. Since -2 is to the right of -3, so -2 is greater than -3. Next is very important and very simple. Absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is the numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign. Means we will write only the numerical value. The absolute value of -2 is 2 only. We remove the symbol minus. Similarly, the absolute value of -5 means +5 only. The absolute value of -8 means it will be equal to +8. We remove minus symbol. Absolute value of -1 is also, it will be equal to +1. Thank you for watching